Benefits of Chinese money plant. The Chinese money plant Pilea peperomioides is a popular indoor plant with several appealing benefits. 1. Aesthetic appeal. Known for its round, coin-shaped leaves, the Chinese money plant adds a modern and minimalist look to any room. Its compact size and striking appearance make it a stylish addition to home decor. 2. Low maintenance. This plant is easy to care for, thriving in bright, indirect light and needing minimal watering. It's an excellent choice for beginner gardeners or those with busy lifestyles. 3. Symbol of good fortune. In many cultures, the Chinese money plant is believed to bring good luck, wealth, and prosperity. It is often gifted to promote financial success and positive energy. 4. Air purification. Like many indoor plants, the Chinese money plant helps purify the air by removing toxins, contributing to a healthier indoor environment. 5. Propagation. It produces small pups that can be easily propagated, making it a plant that keeps on giving. You can share the new plants with friends or expand your indoor garden.